Views, views, and more views. That's what you'll find today as we tour this wonderful cabin in the 39 degrees north subdivision of Breckenridge. You simply won't believe the sweeping mountain views from this great setting. Located about 5 miles south of downtown Breckenridge, the 39 degrees north subdivision is situated on the east side of the valley, which means most of the homes in the neighborhood take in stunning views of the southern end of the 10-mile range. And this includes 14,000-foot peak of Mt Quandary, North Star Peak, Atlantic Peak, and even another 14er, Mount Lincoln, which is located in Park County. Hi, it's Pete Deininger with the Breck Life Group at eXp Realty, and today I'd like to take you on a tour of what I think is the epitome of a classic Colorado cabin. If you've been searching for that perfect mountain getaway, this just might be the one for you. This home is represented by Christian Vallis and myself at Breck Life Group. Located at 188 Rocky Mountain Way, which just happens to be one of the best street names in all of Breckenridge, this home was built in 1990. It features 4 bedrooms plus an awesome open loft area and nearly 2,050 square feet of living space. Let's take a look at some of my favorite features of this great home. As we enter the home, the first thing you'll recognize is all the natural light. It's such a warm, welcoming feel. You'll make yourself at home right away. The vaulted ceilings and windows on 3 sides of this main floor living area really allow that Colorado sunshine to stream right in. And it's a well-designed floor plan with kitchen, dining room, and great room open to one another, and each situated to take in those big mountain views to the west. For many years, I lived in a home that was heated exclusively by a wood stove. So this big wood fireplace has a special place in my heart. While it might be convenient to flip a switch and turn on a gas fireplace, there is nothing quite like relaxing around a crackling fire with family and friends, recounting tales of fun on the slopes of the Breckenridge Ski Resort. In the kitchen and dining area, you will find ample counter space from which to prepare your favorite meals. And just take a look at this built-in dining nook where everyone will gather for an evening meal and recount stories of adventure after a day of play. As I mentioned, this spacious deck wraps around both the south and west side of this home, and with all the sun we receive here in Colorado, you are sure to spend spring, summer, and fall out here on the deck relaxing and taking in these big mountain views. If you look closely, you can see 2 shades of green in the trees across the valley. The darker trees are evergreens, while the lighter shade of green are aspen, which means they will turn a brilliant shade of gold in September. You'll be leaf peeping right here from your deck. Let's head back inside to continue our tour. I mentioned previously this home is a 4-bedroom residence, but this open loft area certainly doubles as a 5th sleeping area or as a game room where kids might go to work on a puzzle or play their favorite game. We find 2 bedrooms on the main level and an additional 2 bedrooms downstairs adjacent to the garage. It's really such a great home, and you simply can't beat those big mountain views to the west. That wraps up my top features of this beautiful cabin located at 188 Rocky Mountain Way in Breckenridge, Colorado. As always, we'd love to know what you think would be your favorite feature of this home, so please leave a comment below. For more information or to schedule your private tour of this beautiful cabin, please call, text, or email Christian Vallis, the listing agent. We welcome your questions about finding and buying your perfect mountain home here in Breckenridge.